So what we see yesterday, just let me share my, so okay, yes, good. Does everyone able to see my screen? Does, yes, no, yes, no. Is it visible to VS Code? I just open VS Code, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So I'm just going to create a folder name day 3. Okay. And inside that, I'm going to create a one file name index.html. Okay. Correct. How do we use, okay, okay, okay. How do we use this boilerplate for the HTML? Like how do we import the HTML code? How do we import HTML code? We do exclamation sign, shift 1, and then hit enter. We will get our boilerplate code. And how do we write JavaScript in our HTML? How do we write? Which tag we use? Which tag we use? We use script tag. We use script tag. And between that script tag, whatever you are writing, console.log, it will print you exact thing. Hi, this is day 3. Okay, let's see. Is it going to print or not? Just go here, run. There it is. Okay, we can do directly come into, we will export folder. We come into the folder and direct click, double click. Then you can see we have to do inspect console. You can see this is day 3. Do you have any question, any doubt about this? Anyone? Anyone have question or doubt? Anyone? Anyone, please? No, no, no. Is that correct? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, 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 okay. So yesterday, someone just mention how do we create a different file and write our code. Sorry. Okay. So we just create a different file for our JavaScript, and then inside this script we import that file. Okay, we will create file and then give address inside this script, and we can individually, yeah, we can individually directly run that. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so okay, here we just create a one file name, uh, first uh, first.js. Why JS? Why JS? .js is the extension for our JS file. That's why we creating .js. And how do we import inside these? How do we import inside these? We just do one thing. We write script tag. Then inside that script tag, opening tag. Okay, remember opening tag. in opening tag. It's a closing tag. It's a opening tag. Just give me a sec. Okay, it's a opening tag. Okay, inside this opening tag, we use attribute name source. Okay, we use attribute name source src equals to, and then string, or we can say the comma, double comma, single comma, double inverted comma or single inverted comma. It doesn't matter. Okay, we use double inverted comma, and then see, VS Code already give me a suggestion for which file I wanted to import. We import then dot slash, and which file it is? It is first.js. Okay, we just imported first.js successfully in our HTML file. After that, after this, we don't need to come again and again in our the HTML document and write anything inside the script tag. Okay, okay, okay. Just go write our first code, console dot log. Hi. Okay. Hello world. Hello world. Is it going to work? Just save, save. Okay. Let's see. Is it going to work or not? Is it going to work? Still not getting output. Still not getting output. Still not getting output. Why? Why not still getting output? Refresh. Correct home. Refresh. Just refresh. You can see hello world. Okay. We just imported a file in our HTML document and run it successfully. Okay. 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 Do you want to try in your system? Do you want to try in your system? Yes, no, yes, no. I think I'm not able to see messages. Okay, okay. So let's go at it. Let's go to our next topic. Okay. So what we are going to see today? We are going to see variable names. Like what should be the syntax? What should be a rules for that? Okay. So let's start. Okay. Okay. So what we are seeing here must start with a letter or hyphen or dollar. Let's see. Try to do it. Okay, we will create let must start with a letter. Let's start first first name equals to Virat. Okay, and then console dot log first name semicolon. Okay, what it will be print? What it will be print? It will print what it will be print. Refresh. It will print Virat. Is it? It's valid valid variable name. Okay, valid. Okay. Let's try say another one. Let it will start with the underscore first first name. Is it same? Is it same? Is it same as first name and second name? First variable and second variable. No, it's not same. Okay, it's not same. Okay, it's different. It's different. Okay, let me just console. Okay, okay. Let's see what we will get. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Okay, let's just, you can see here, we can clear from here. Okay, and click, or you can write Control K. Okay, you can see Virat Yuvraj, and even you can see the file name here 2 and line number 2. In which file and which line? Okay, just verify once. Let's just verify once. It's line number 2, line number 5, and file name is first.js. Correct? 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 Okay. Okay. Second rule is it should be, it can be start with a dollar. If I ask the first name, Rohit, just console. Okay. Okay. Valid. Yes, valid. Valid. It's also valid. So let's see, just refresh. Okay. We have got Virat, Yuvraj, Rohit, and first name in first name file. Sorry, in first file, first.js file in line number 8. Let's see line number or not. Yeah, it's on line number 8. Okay, 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 okay. It's a valid, it's a rule which we should follow while creating variables. Okay. Second, cannot start with a number. Let's see if what if we start with a number. Let 18 Virat t-shirt. Why it's not letting us to create? Let's see. Yeah, what it is saying? An identifier keyword cannot be immediately follow a numeric literal. It's showing error. It's showing error. It's showing error. It's showing error. Even I remove this. How to say an identifier or keyword cannot immediately follow a numeric literal. It is not a valid in, not a valid. Okay, valid variable name. Let's see other rule. Okay. Mm, can contain letter, number, hyphen, and dollar after the character. After the character. After the character. You can see after the character. After the character. Like you can start with the character and then you can use letter, number, hyphen, dollar, anything. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. I'll just comment. Okay. Okay. What it is, it's a commenting. It's a commenting. It's like a extra lines we write on our code, but it ignored by the compiler, it ignored by the JavaScript. It just understanding, it just be written for the our understanding. Okay, what we are writing, why we are what we are writing, why we are writing. Okay, it will always start with the double forward slash. Okay, double forward slash. Or if I wanted to comment this line, if I wanted to comment this line, well, if I wanted to comment, I just add double slash in start. Correct? Correct? Okay, okay. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No, no, no. Okay, 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 okay. I just commenting this code because it will cause us to print. Okay. Let check. Let last name. Okay. Last name. Last name, and then we use dollar. Is it valid? Yes, it's valid. It's valid. It's valid. Okay. If I add, let's see, if I add Let's see if I add number. Is it work? Yeah, it's also valid. Okay, okay. What if I add hyphen between that? Between the name. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. If I add number, yes, it is valid. If I add dollar, yes, it is valid. So means we have clear rule that we can't use number before the variable name. We can't use number before the variable name. Correct? Correct? Correct. Okay. So these variable name looks similar, but these are different. Cause variable name is case sensitive. It will check every single letter with their with their is it capital or not. It's correct. What we can say? Yeah, everything. Like is symbol, where is the symbol, what we are used. Okay, like we use this one too, this one too. We also use this one too. Can we use? Can we use? Can we use? No. It's show error. It's show error. Why? Why? We can't use dash as a variable name. Okay. We just put here in our invalid list. Invalid list. Okay. Okay. Comment. Okay. Another one. What if I add space? What if I add space? Is it valid too? Is it valid? No. You can't use space between a variable name. That's also invalid. I'm just adding. Okay. 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 Just copy this here. Here. Okay. Okay. Valid variable name. It's a valid variable name. These are also valid variable names. These are also valid variable names. These are also valid variable names. Okay. 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 Can we console? Yeah, we can console. First name. What's the last name? Last name. Dollar at end. Console.log. What is our variable name? Last name. Last name. Number at last. And then this one. Okay. That's good. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let's see. Just refreshing. Reload. Okay. We will get output. Virat on line number 3. Viraj on line number 6. Kohli on line number 12. Kohli on line number 18. Kohli 15. Okay. Let's see. Are we writing perfectly? 21, 18, 15. Is 21 printed? Is 21 printed? Yes. 21 is printed. 21. Okay, 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 okay. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go. What if I wanted to write, what if I wanted to create another file? What if I just create second second.js and started writing code from here, okay. Like console.log inside second file. What we need to do? 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 We already imported one file. Then, then we just do second script, we just do second script tag here, second script tag, then src equals to double inverted comma, and then we just add our file dot slash second dot yes. Let's see, is it in our system or not? Okay, okay. Let's see. Reload. Yes, we got our second file name too. Well, any doubt here? Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Okay, okay. What is the difference in which we don't use dollar and then we use the last character at the beginning? And nothing. It will work. It will work. Like what difference? What we don't use dollar and we use starting the anything you just want to. Just you need to remember these things. You just remember this. You just remember these three things only. You just need to remember these three things. It will not allow you to create a variable like starting with the starting with the I just add here starting with the starting with the number number second with can't use dash can't use dash okay and you can't use okay it should be a valid you can't use space between two words or between yeah just between okay these three rules you just need to remember that won't allow you to create a rule create while creating variable okay while creating variable yeah nothing difference is I just mentioned difference is variable javascript variable it's a case sensitive like anything small change will make its new variable like here okay I just copy pasting here okay just copy it's a copy okay it's a copy okay and then I just change its a into capital it's become a new okay or what if I change 18 into 108 it's become new even if I change l to capital it will become new variable okay it's a case sensitive that's why it's you can write anything just you need to remember everything it's should be unique correct 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 okay okay let's go with your second thing okay it's a case sensitive okay okay and other thing like the important thing I forgot to mention before in rule okay let's see here okay let's see here I okay we don't need like we don't have any work with the our first so that's why I just comment how do we comment double line it's not working here why it's a html okay that's why we use dash okay and just forget it we will discuss later yeah good like अभी नहीं समझ रहा आगे समझ जाएगा आपको है ना चल second file then we will see what we are going to see is a words reserve what is a reserve words reserve words what is a reserve word like let is a reserve word what we use to create a variable name okay where it's also okay where is also reserve word and lot of things like for number no not a number uh, number capital number name number okay and the capital string you can't create name with the string okay and there's a lot of like let's see once more let's see I'll show you in proper documentation okay I'll show you documentation for the okay MDN JavaScript. Okay, MDN JavaScript is a, what is MDN, right? Is a words. What is a MDN? MDN is a official documentation for the JavaScript. Okay, you can learn anything if you wanted to know anything about the JavaScript. The best document you can refer. Okay, like in the world, every JavaScript developer, any developer who works on a JavaScript library use the this MDN. Okay, you can see reserved word. We have the reserved words, right? We have reserved words. Okay, like new, type of, class, default, do, else. Okay, we will see this all the reserved word we are going to encounter with that we are using, going to use and learn. Okay, every words. Okay, in further our class. Okay, I just comment those. Let's to our next slide. Okay, whatever next slide saying. Okay, common mistake, same. We just adding a space. Okay, adding a number before the variable name. Okay, it's a good to use after that. Okay, the class, using reserved words. We can't use reserved words like just I mentioned, like class equals to 10, 10 class. It's not allowing you to create the variable name because class is a reserved word. Class is a reserved word. Okay, declaration not allowed at this location. Correct? It's a reserved word. Reserved word. Okay, let's see. Naming conventions. Okay, this is a naming convention. I suggest you just go and read more about the naming convention. I just give you the overview of the naming convention. It's not that like more important. It's just a way to create a variable name because variable name is most important aspect as a point of view with the better developer because you write like we just saying here like 10 to 10 10 okay. uh, well, case. Why it's camel case? It's look like a camel. Like its face is small and then second word with the capital letter. That's why it's called the camel case. It's the most used case variable name for name format for the or by the developer developers. Okay, camel case. Second one is what is second one is Pascal case. Okay, what is the Pascal case? Just single difference. We just write capital first and then second word also capital. Start with the capital, second word, first word and second word also start with the capital is a Pascal case. Okay. It used somewhere sometimes like class or React component because React component have their some rules. So that's why it should be okay. Snake case not recommended anywhere. Like it's backend thing, or we can say it's a response thing which is used for the APIs and all. And it's a kebab case. It's also not recommended, and I'm not going to cover it. But just remember, don't use these two things. What things we don't need to use? Using variable dash name and variable sorry Spelling. Okay, forget it. Variable slash name. These two things are not recommended, highly not recommended. Never ever use for the variable name. Don't use. Okay. Okay. Then snake case. Then snake case. What is a snake case? Simple snake case. Just you are writing variable let f I r s t first name. First name. When we write this, we have constant global. We will see what is a constant global in our classes. Okay. So just read it or just remember this thing. Okay. We can't use. Okay. Okay. This is also not recommended for creating a variable name, but it's have some exceptions. Okay. We have some dedicated what do we say the task for that. Or okay. Okay. Any doubt as of now? Any doubt as of now? Any now? Okay. Const. We will cover const. We will cover const. But as of now, just go with it. Go with the flow. Okay. Can we do geometry in this? Yeah, we can do geometry. Yes. 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 Hey, Hitler. Yeah. 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 Okay. 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 So how much, how many of you attempted yesterday quiz? How many of you attempted yesterday quiz? How many of you? Yes, no. Raise a hand. Raise a hand. Richa. Okay. Okay. Manoj. Do you have any questions? No. No. Hmm. 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 Okay. 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 We will revisit once again. Okay. We're going to revisit once again. Okay. Yes. Okay. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. Yes. Okay. 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 So we'll just do one by one. Okay. We also open the into. Okay. According to the presentation, like yesterday class, what is the programming language primarily designed to? Primarily designed to. B, B, B. Answer, answer, answer. Answer on chat. Answer on chat. Guys, it's interactive. It's interactive sessions. मेरे अकेले से बड़बड़ाने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. आपको भी पार्टिसिपेट करना पड़ेगा. We have to participate. B, 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 B. Formal language design web page. A. Human computer interaction. Okay. Consider the primary purpose of these languages is context for computing. Okay, okay. Correct answer, correct answer. I'm just clicking on A. Is it correct? No. Why? While programming language facilities interaction, this define is to board and doesn't capture their core function. Correct? Correct, correct. Correct answer is D. Why? Why? Just read it. Formal language to communicate instruction to the computer. JavaScript is a programming language. Why we are using it's a different thing. But programming language, what programming language do? Give you command to computer, right? We used to give a command to a computer. Next question. Okay. Which of the following categorize as a high level programming language in the presentation? Like in yesterday class, we see high level language, high level language, high level language. Answer. Type answer on chat. Type answer on chat, please. Okay. It's in. Recall example provided high level language. C. C. Correct. 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 C. Okay. Next. At which company was JavaScript originally created? In which company JavaScript was originally created? In which company? B. Correct. Pavitra Devi, correct. B. Netscape. Okay. Okay. Which statement about the history of JavaScript is true? Which statement? It was developed over several years to ensure a stability. Its initial name was JavaScript and then was never changed. It was initially named ECMAScript. It was created in May 1995, over 10 days. C, D, A, B. On chat. Everyone, please on chat. Okay, correct answer is D. Okay, why the name JavaScript chosen? Why the name JavaScript chosen? Highly object oriented, name after the creator's favorite coffee, name chosen by marketing team purposefully despite being unrelated to the Java, ensure the capability with the Java application. Truth is C. Correct? Correct. What is the primary what is the primary function of Google V8 engine? Google V8 engine. Google V8 engine. What is a Google V8 engine? It's a browser engine. Any Google Chrome browser engine. What we do? What it do? Provide, compile, execute the pass, compile, and execute the JavaScript code. What is a variable defined in a presentation? Store the information or define the programming language rule to create a visual element on web page or execute code snippet. Store the correct. According to the presentation, why should we create a variable? Why should we create a variable? Remember information and reuse it. Correct. What is the function of console or console.log? Used to display output, used to perform mathematical calculation, used to define new variable, or is it used to get output from the user? Correct. Okay. Let's just word the statement correctly. Late and where JavaScript static type or older type late variable declaration with late cannot be updated. Okay, it's a okay. Okay. It's a correct answer. Right. You are guys smart, yeah. You are smart, guys. Yeah. Okay, we just saw this. Which one is following valid variable name? Which one is valid variable name? Just answer. Guys, I just repeating again and again for the variable name because it's a more like a crucial and important basic thing. People just mess with this small thing. That's why I'm repeating again and again. Some people of you already written the code and like already in development, or you can say they know what is the programming languages. But just be on patience. Okay, we will go with the advanced things. Then you will see. Okay. Okay. Correct. It's a valid. Correct. Okay. Variable name. Which of the following adhere to the syntax rule for the JavaScript variable name? B. Total 100. Total 100. Correct. Okay. Common mistake avoid to section. Following consider a bad practice. Which one is a bad practice among them? Using uppercase for a constant. Using camel case for a variable name. Make a variable name descriptive or string a variable name with a number. Correct? Okay. Which naming convention style is correctly matched with the use case according to the presentation? Which name variable name style is correct? Naming convention is correct. Kebab case, Pascal case, snake case, or global constant. Pascal case. Yeah, correct. Pascal case, right? Pascal case, right? Why? Pascal case we don't use for the variable name. I just mentioned we don't use Pascal case for the variable name. Okay, let's see. Pascal's case. Okay, we don't use Pascal's case for the variable name. Most use variable name format. Okay, the only one recommended camel case. Pascal's case used for the class, class and class and React component or function. Okay, I'll show you in slide 2. Okay, you can read here. Okay, you can read here. Pascal case, classes and React components. Okay, for the variable function objects, it's a camel case. Okay, not a Pascal case. And what was the second one? Okay, uppercase. Oh, sorry. In case, according to this is the correct use case for the uppercase. Okay, upper snake case. Okay, which convention style is correct match with the use case? Okay, kebab case, it's not recommended. Snake case is not recommended. We can write this, but we have different use for that. We just use for the write a constant. What is the constant? We will see in our class next. Okay, but as of now, just go with that. Okay, okay, okay. Which of the following JavaScript reserve keyword? Which of these is index reserve keyword? Is index reserve keyword? Is value reserve keyword? Is return reserve keyword or name reserve keyword? Okay, just we can go and check. Does we have index here? Does we have index here? Does we have index here? No, we don't have index here. We don't have index here. Then go with the value. Do we have value? Do we have value? I just search value. Do we have value? Do we have value? No, we don't have value. Okay. Then return. Let's see. Do we have return here? Return. Return. Do we have return here? Do we have return here? Okay, we have return here. Right? We have return. So what will be answer? What will be answer? Return is a reserve keyword. Return is a reserve keyword. We will see keywords. Okay, we will see keywords. Then you will understand. We will easily find out. Okay, okay, okay. Correct. Okay, okay. Let's go with our continue. Do anyone have any doubt? Anyone want to ask anything? Does anyone want to ask anything? Okay, no one, no one, no one, no one, no one. Okay. How many of you just do the challenges? I have shared with you. Did the challenges I have shared with you? How many of you? How many of you? Okay, just go. Now you from today, I just repeating everything from start like today, yesterday and today. Okay, okay. Now you can see properly. Yeah, correct. Okay. So this is just the objectives. Okay. Task one, basic variable declarations and console. Okay. Just open your Java VS Code. Try by yourself. If you have any doubt, we will discuss tomorrow again. Okay. We just do go for this week very slow. Okay. Okay. I just wanted you to learn from scratch, from basic, and with the better understandings. Okay. 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 Second one is using where. Okay. We have 4 steps to do. Okay. And task 3, case sensitive actions. Okay. We just see case sensitives like my variable with the small and my variable with the capital is different. What it, okay. Okay. Just write, just type on chat in which case is we using camel case, Pascal case, what its type variable name type. Type. Correct, correct, correct. It's a Pascal case. Pascal case, right? Right, Pascal case. कुछ भी बोल दिए सही है. Yeah, Ankit, correct. Yes, it's a camel case and it's a Pascal case. Okay, okay, okay. We have other task number 4, valid, invalid. Okay. Then task number 5, applying naming conventions. Like I just asked you. Okay. And then I'll share you where to submit. Just created and store in your system. I'll share you how to store. Okay, and I'll also share you some interview questions too. Okay, anyone go through with this? Anyone? Anyone? I'll show you. Okay, just go do the task I have given you. Do the task I have given you. You will definitely 100% able to do this. Give the answer of this question. Definitely, definitely. Just go and do the task. Just go and do the task. Assignments. Okay, these are the some famous asked question uh, in interview about the variables. कुछ लोग कह रहे होंगे यार वेरिएबल पे कौन क्वेश्चन पूछता है भाई. If interviewer is sharp, he will start with the variable. He just asks you the first most common question: difference between length and var. Why it's different? Okay, difference between length and var. Okay, let's just see in quick what is the difference between length and var. Okay, let's see length versus var. Okay, why it's different? Okay, var give you var allow you to create, or what we say, assign, what we say, initialize them multiple times, like var first name equals to Virat. Okay, even if I create again CV, okay, you can see it's allowing me to create initialize again and again, again and again. Okay, it's letting me initialize again and again. Okay, that's why we don't use var. That's why we don't use var. Okay, simple. And for the late first name, first name. Rohit. Okay, you can see if I create another, let first name, let first name, first name, first name. Did we created first name before? Okay, you can see it will give you the errors. Okay, cannot declare box scope, block scope. Okay, is my screen not shared? Might be. Okay, okay. Just see the example. Okay, it's a var and it's a const. Okay, it's var and it's late and var. Okay, if I create it using the var, it not give me any error. It's allow me to redeclare, reassign. Okay, redeclare and reassign. What is a declaration? Creating variable name is a declaration, and assigning value is a reassign or assigning the value. Okay, and then we see on the let. Okay, it will show me error. It will show me the same variable name. Okay, exact same variable name, character by character, and it will show me error. Cannot redeclare block scope. Cannot redeclare block scope. It's just a simple difference. As of now, you just need to understand. Okay, 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 okay. And another questions like naming variables. Okay, good letter matters. Labels matters. Okay, like score X. Okay, just go do it by yourself. Just watching classes, it's not like not benefit for you, like even. Okay, 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 okay. Sharing my screen. Okay, okay, is it visible now? Okay, yeah. Okay, just we will going to take this quick question. Look at this variable name. Okay, look at this variable name. Which one is valid and which one is invalid in a JavaScript? For the invalid one, explain why. Okay, which one is invalid? Which one is invalid? A, B, C, D, E. Just quick question. Just quick answer. Everyone, everyone. Is everyone sleeping? D, 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 D. D, starting with, starting with, it's a valid. Have a space. Is it valid or not? Have a space between username. No, it is not valid. Using underscore, it's a valid. Start with the number, it's valid. Using camel case is valid. So B is a invalid. Okay, okay. Do everyone have this document? Do everyone have this document? Two documents. Everyone have? Do everyone have these two documents? Yes, 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 no. Okay, okay. Join this space. Join this space. I'll drop the link for this space or channel. We already shared there. Okay. Join the space. Admin will share you the channel. Or already you got the message for the join the channel. Okay. Yes, correct, correct, correct. So that is from my side for the variables. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the data types. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the data types, difference between null and undefined. Okay. Difference between null and undefined. Okay. And even we will see the automatic operations like addition, subtraction. Okay. Yeah. And logical operators too, like and or. Okay. 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 Any questions? Any question? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? In chat, in chat, in chat, you can see we have shared you the channel link and even the YouTube link. Okay. Okay. Just go watch the video, follow. Okay. Okay. Okay.